KevG weather overview, late June, and we're heading for hotter temperatures. This is off the Philadelphia Mount Holly website. And the moral of the story is that from here on out, temperatures are going to be going up. And more importantly, the humidity is going to be going up. I mean, the last 2 days we have had not only pleasant temperatures, but extremely low humidity for this time of year. But that is going to be changing in a major way. And I think the real theme of the forecast going forward is the consistency of higher humidity. And this is something that we really haven't seen thus far in the early stages of the summer. But that's going to be changing a lot as we go forward. Now, to demonstrate this visually, when you look at your local forecast tonight and tomorrow and then the coming days, you're going to look at the dew point temperature. And when you have dew point temperatures that are below 50, and you have air temperatures that are in the 70s and 80s, there's nothing better on Earth. I mean, it is just like the quintessential heaven weather. That's what weather would be like in the heavenly abyss, as it were. And so what's going to be happening is that as we go forward in time, the dew point is going to be coming up. And anytime you have dew point temperatures in the mid and upper 60s or higher, it gets uncomfortable. Now, for Monday into Tuesday, we're going to combine those high dew point temperatures with the hottest weather of the week. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to have highs 90 to 95 most places, and these dew point temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s and low 70s. So the heat index values are going to be in the mid and upper 90s. That's the way it actually feels on your skin. And as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday, even though the temperatures will come down a little bit, the dew point air will still be very oppressive, and the dew point temperatures will still be in the 60s to near 70, making it very humid outside. Now, by the time we get to around the 3rd, the weather model wants to try to push in drier air from the north, and that would help a lot if that actually did transpire. But my gut feeling is that the high humidity is going to be here to stay through most of the forecast period. Now, for the actual precipitation, most of it's going to fall inland. I think we'll get daily chances for showers and thunderstorms, especially next week. For the weekend, it looks high and dry, but then as that higher humidity comes in, afternoon and evening thunderstorms will bubble up, but I don't think they'll be widespread. Now, the overall pattern is going to be one where the upper level ridge of high pressure is going to be in control, and it is going to be a mainstay in our forecast through the next 7 to 10 days. This isn't the classic Bermuda high that just sits and spins, and locks in for the rest of the summer. This ridge is a little bit more displaced towards the coast, but overall, it's going to supply us with this warm and humid weather for the foreseeable future. Now, it breaks down a little bit as we go into Wednesday into Thursday, so we could look for increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms as we get into Wednesday through Friday of next week, with the ridge kind of breaking down and more disturbances able to kind of plow through in the form of the upper level jet stream. But overall, it's a classic summer pattern, one that will favor higher humidity values, and it'll be uncomfortable out there. We've really been spoiled the last couple of days, but unfortunately, the temperatures are going to be coming up, and so is the humidity values in tandem with. So if you've got beach plans and beach aspirations the next 7 to 10 days, that's the place to be. Temperatures Saturday, you can see that they nudge up a little bit higher, and you're going to notice the humidity for tomorrow with highs in the mid 80s, but then upper 80s for Sunday. And then Monday, we start to really get with temperatures widespread upper 80s to low 90s. Tuesday, that could be the hottest day with highs in the low 90s. And then Wednesday, the temperatures stay around 90 for the most part, although we could have a little bit of cooling, but you won't really notice it with the high humidity values. Same thing with Thursday. So next week will be characterized by, to me, it looks like the hottest week of the summers thus far, with high humidity values, low chances for showers and thunderstorms, but if they are going to happen, they're going to happen inland. And we'll have to see if the overall pattern breaks down a little bit by the time we hit the 4th of July weekend, with a little bit of relief from the humidity, at least, going into the big holiday celebration. So stay cool, get the air conditioners revved up. We've had some great weather the last couple of days, but now this is going to be more of a soupy summertime air mass moving in for the foreseeable future.